What we do is we work in isolation loneliness and support in also connecting people to the community throughout Sefton. So what we try and do is if somebody was to be looking for a community cafe and stuff, try and get them out to help with isolation loneliness. And we also have volunteers as well, so volunteers can meet people at the venues and make them feel comfortable.
I'm the community connector, so I'm a free service. I work with people for up to 12 weeks, finding person-centred groups and activities within the local area.
I really enjoy seeing somebody go from being quite anxious, quite nervous and worried about attending groups and activities, and then seeing them go and attend activities, make friends and grow, and be all of a sudden leaving the house in that isolation that they were suffering from or could be suffering from now, gone away.
It's just seeing the change in people. You can meet someone, they'll be very anxious and they could have depression and anxiety, and you work with them to find groups and activities they enjoy, and you just see the mental well-being change. They grow so much more confident and they're just so much better.